Recorded.
Hello everyone, this is a video for lesson 4 in which I want to illustrate using a flat normal astrology chart, show how the distance between the ascendant and midheaven changes throughout the course of the day because of how the ecliptic and its obliquity is transferred onto the equator. So I want to take this chart. We've seen this chart now from lesson 3 and also in lesson 4. And I just want to start animating this chart for a few periods throughout the day so that you can see how the distance changes. But that while the distance in the zodiac is changing, that's because the zodiac is askew or oblique. And these happen to be the places where the zodiac is crossing the local horizon and the meridian as the heavens turn by primary motion. So this chart is set for 4:30 a.m. in Minneapolis, and you can see that the midheaven is at 13 Capricorn and the ascendant is at 27 Aries. The distance between them is approximately 104 degrees. So I want to advance this a few times throughout the day so you can see what that difference changes to as we proceed. So in Janus, I'm going to click the H button, which will add 1 hour. And you can see that 1 hour later, the heavens have turned so that the ascendant is now at 21 Taurus, the midheaven at 27 Capricorn. That's now about 113 degrees. So the the distance between them has opened up about 9 more degrees. If we go a little later, the ascendant at 10 Gemini, the midheaven at 12 Aquarius, that is about 118 degrees. So it's still a little wider. It's grown about 5 degrees. Then we advance one more time. Actually, let's go 2 more times to 8:30 a.m. and the midheaven at 13 Pisces, the ascendant at 9 Cancer. The distance between them now is about 116. Now, I want to jump ahead till 6:30 p.m. because the distance between them does not change a whole lot, throughout these early parts of the day. So let's go to 6:30 p.m. and see what happens. So this is how the heavens look on that day at 6:30 p.m. The ascendant at 4 Scorpio, midheaven at 12 Leo. Now look, the distance has closed quite a bit. The distance between them now is only 82 degrees. We started out at 104 at 4:30 a.m. and by mid-morning it had grown to 116 degrees. Now we've shrunk down to 82 degrees. And let's go 1 more hour to 7:30 p.m. and you can see it's closed even more. Now the distance between them is only 77 degrees. Now again, the horizon and the meridian have not changed. They are exactly where you are at the location of this chart. The meridian is still vertical. The horizon is still between your feet. But because of how the zodiac or ecliptic is oblique from the celestial equator, it will fall onto the horizon and meridian at places that are smaller or larger in the zodiac.